Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing 3 super easy hairstyle which can be done under a minute, and also I have curled my hairs for making it little more cute. For my first hairstyle, I'm middle parting my hair and going to take my front section hair, dividing it into two equal halves and twisting it with each other and secure this with a bobby pin. And I'm doing the exact same process for the other half as well. Now I'm going to secure this with a bobby pin. And that's it, that's the first hairstyle. Now for the second hairstyle, I'm going to release this bobby pins and going to secure these two hair strands with the rubber band. And going to make a small ponytail like this. Now I'm going to take my hair like this way and dividing it into two equal halves and twisting these hair strands with each other. And now I'm going to pull my hair strands through the ponytail. Now I'm doing the exact same part with the other half as well. First I'm going to take my hair strands and dividing this hair strand into two equal halves and twisting it with each other. And going to pull my hair strand through the ponytail like this. To lock all my hair strands at their place, I'm going to add a U-pin here. And that's it, that's the second hairstyle. I hope you like this. For my third hairstyle, first I'm going to release the bobby pin and I'm going to take some hair from this section. And now I'm going to make a small bun and going to secure this with some U-pins. Now I'm going to add some this kind of gold pins. And that's it, that's the hairstyle. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.